Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a great one because we will be converting present and past continuous into passive voice. So let's get started. I am making a video now. He is doing his homework. They are baking a cake. These examples will undergo the same changes we explained in the previous videos. Present and past simple in the passive forms. But let's pay attention here. The first example, I am making a video now, will be converted as a video is being made now. What happened? The ing in the verb making will be extracted as a separate word. This word is being. Let's have another example. He is doing his homework. Let's follow the same structure. His homework is being done. The ing basically adds the idea of having a progress in the sentence, and since we can't add it in the past participle, it will be alone as a word, being. Let's have another example. They are baking a cake. Simply it is going to be a cake is being baked. Still not clear? No worries, I'm going to explain it. In fact, this is why you are watching this video now. Let's take the first example. I am making a video now. We take the object to the beginning of the sentence, a video. We add the correct verb to be right after our new subject, which is a video. Now it's going to be a video is. Now we have to provide our sentence with ing because it contains the idea of progress, and we talked about it previously. Being. A video is being. Now the final step is to add the past participle of the verb. A video is being made. As we talked previously, you let the complement at the same place. So the final result is a video is being made now. Let's try it again with the second example. He is doing his homework. Where is the object? His homework. Let's take it to the beginning and add verb to be. His homework is. Add the progress word being. His homework is being. What is the past participle of do? His homework is being done. Great, you're doing well. Let's have the third example. They are baking a cake. Where is the object? Take it to the beginning. Add verb to be. Add the progress word being. Change the verb into past participle. The final result is a cake is being baked. Try the following exercises. Feel free to pause the video and take your time answering the questions. I'm going to show the answers after 5 seconds. Now let's have the past continuous. This tense is really easy. If you understood the present continuous, your life would be so easier. The same things we did with the present continuous can be applied here, but with only one change, which is converting is, am, and are into was and were. We had an example about present continuous, and it was they are baking a cake, and the conversion was a cake is being baked. The same example in past continuous, they were baking a cake. It is going to be converted as a cake was being baked. Do you see how easy it becomes? Another example. I was watching the movie last night. The movie was being watched last night. So that's all about past continuous. Let's have a quick revision. Take the object to the beginning of the sentence. Add the correct verb according to the tense. Is, am, are for present continuous and was, were for past continuous. Add the word being right after the verb to be. Change the verb ing into the past participle. That is all you need to add if you want to have a correct passive voice sentences. I will give you some exercises to practice what you have just learned. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you a golden rule, so don't miss it.